Have you ever pondered what the future of education might look like? How can we enhance it, make it more engaging, more effective? Two innovative tools, dry erase paint and Chatgpt, may just hold the keys to unlocking this future. Imagine a classroom wall, a large flat surface transformed into a broad open-ended canvas with the simple application of dry erase paint. Here, students are free to write, draw, solve math problems, and express their creativity and critical thinking. This isn't just any wall, it's a dynamic, interactive learning tool, a cost-effective alternative to traditional whiteboards that seamlessly blends into the environment. Now add into this equation the revolutionary AI tool, Chatgpt. This powerful language model can generate human-like text, sparking engaging conversations and stimulating students' minds. But remember, the learning process doesn't stop at reading and understanding. It also involves writing. Research shows that handwriting has unique benefits for language development. Students who write by hand have been shown to perform better in reading comprehension and spelling skills. So, why not combine the cognitive benefits of handwriting with the stimulating power of Chatgpt? This process, known as multi-sensory learning, can be particularly beneficial for students with different learning and thinking abilities. Imagine the transformative power of a classroom where students write prompts on a wall coated in dry erase paint. As they activate their brain's language processing centers, they're also engaging with an AI tool that encourages them to think critically and refine their ideas. Chatgpt can generate essays, but what if students use their knowledge base and the dry erase wall to jot down refinements and suggestions? They would be truly thinking on their feet, combining original concepts with the AI's output, preparing them for real-life scenarios where this kind of critical thinking is essential. This is the future of education, a blend of traditional handwriting and advanced AI tools. A classroom where a wall isn't just a wall, but a tool for expression and learning. A classroom where AI isn't just a concept, but a reality that stimulates thinking and enhances learning. Are you ready to take the leap and transform your learning environment? Discover the power of dry erase paint and Chatgpt. Dial 800-9362159 and speak with a friendly coding specialist. Or visit remarkablecoding.com to learn more. The future of education is in your hands, and it's more exciting than ever.